Hi there. Welcome to this is the Anaheim Public Library presenting you Cultural Kitchen Series. My name is Tony Lamb and this is Cooking with Chef Tony. As you know, the summer's already kick-started and we are excited about the warmth and everybody's in the barbecuing mood. What better way to do is to barbecue? But the barbecue needs some kind of sidekick. And I'm going to show you how to do a supreme sidekick called elotes. And also it's Mexican street corn. It's delicious. And just take your corn to another notch and amp it up and pimp it up so that you can enjoy your barbecue. So you probably wonder what's the difference between elotes and esquites. And here it is, Miss Guadalupe will tell you the difference.
Hi everyone, and thank you Chef Tony. My name is Miss Guadalupe and I'm here to tell you the difference between elote and an esquite. For an elote, it's a grilled corn and it's served on a stick and you put all the ingredients over it. For an esquite, you slice the corn off the cob and you put it in a cup and you put the ingredients on top. That way you can enjoy it in a cup.
Thank you, Miss Guadalupe, for enlightening us with the difference between elotes and esquites. Whichever way you want to eat, it's delicious. Welcome back. So, how do you cook elotes? There's many ways you can do that. One way is barbecuing the corn. The other way is to boil your corn. Either way, the result coming out beautiful. Now, by barbecuing, you give it a little color. Look at the beautiful, beautiful smoky color, and it also had barbecuing flavor. And as soon as you can see the color right here, that means it's done. Just take it out, and you don't want burnt corn. Yeah, this is beautiful right here. Look at the color. Wow. Okay, and it's for you can boil the corn also, and look at how glistening, smooth, shiny, and that means it's cooked. About 5 to 7 minutes would be enough. And then the same thing with the barbecue, probably about 5 minutes. So as soon as you see the color, you can take it out. So those are the two ways you can cook your corn. So corn's in season right now and they are very cheap to buy. So to pick the corn, make sure they're fresh. Okay, and also make sure you want to look inside a little bit. Open the shuck and make sure all the kernels are even shiny. Okay, so that's a good one. After you go home, you don't have to wash it. Just shucking the corn is easy. Just pull out the husk all the way to the end. Break the hair. Okay. There you go. You got your corns all cooked up, but this is boring. I'm going to show you how to dress it up so you can pimp up your corn and look delicious. Yeah? I'm going to put a lot of good stuff on top of it. Okay, come on, let's go. There's so many ways to dress up your elotes and esquites. So one way is butter. Okay, any kind of squeezable bottle butter so that it can be easy to squeeze. Okay, and you also need mayo, major ingredient mayo, and cream, preferably Mexican cream, a crema, Latina, and you can also do barbecue sauce, any kind of barbecue sauce will do, and you also have chili powder, it's a chili powder with lime in it. And you can also, of course, get tahine, the famous tahine, or any kind of chili powder with salt and pepper in there. And of course, you can't do it without the cotija cheese. Mexican cotija cheese is very cheap, affordable, and you can put as much as you want. If you don't like cotija cheese, you can use Parmesan cheese. It's also delicious, okay? The other delicious coat for your elotes is flaming hot Cheetos. Put it in your grinder and then just grind it up. First thing you need to do is to coat your elotes generous layers of mayo. This is so delicious. I love mayo. So here you go. You can use the spoon, or I have a food brush right here. Okay. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow. Okay. Put a little generous there, so that you're gonna coat the cheese and the Cheetos on that and the chili flakes so that it stick to your corn. Okay. So and the next step you do is to coat the cheese on there. Look, whoa. Let us know. It's beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Just check the excess off. Remember, you can also use Parmesan too. It's delicious. And of course, the next is chili pepper. Get the color on there, yeah? So the last is, if you want some butter, you can put some butter on it. And I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Put on the plate. Put some of your flaming hot Cheeto on top. Look at the color. It's so beautiful. Wow. Can't wait to eat that. Okay, so let's make esquites. Esquites, as Miss Guadalupe explained to you, is the elotes in the cup, elotes in basil. So first thing you need to do is to slide the kernel off the cob. Okay. So it's okay. And then so you need some kind of cup right here, right? You just spoon the kernel into the cup. And somebody layer down a layer of cojita cheese and then more corn. A little layer of green onion, scallion, however you want to say it. Okay. And then more corn right here. And a little layers of chili pepper powder. And you put another layer of corn. So beautiful. It's also many layers of color. Look at that. Okay. Okay, and then you just brush on the mayo and get some butter in there. However little butter you want, however much butter you prefer. Okay, just top it off and put some green topping on top. Okay, add a little cheese on top. Little and there you have it. Okay, so beautiful. So now that you know how to cook your corn, how to make elotes and esquites, there's no excuse for you to try it. It's so easy. And as for the toppings, the possibilities are endless. And we have a lot of amazing programs for Anaheim Public Library Summer Reading Program up and coming. Check our schedule online and there'll be more to come to you. Okay, thank you. Have a great summer.